Good evening, everyone. Today I bring another story for you. Which story's name is The Hardworking Girl and the Lazy Girl. Once upon a time, there was a small house in which lived a wife and a husband. The wife loves his girl, but he don't like his husband's girl. And one day, his father and his mother came one place, and then the wife said to the husband, first your child will go to take a round and he will come home, and then my child's turn will come. Let's see who can earn much money. So first husband's wife go for and work, find and work and earn some money. Then when the husband's girl was going on his way, he find a tree. The tree said to the girl, "Hey girl, where are you going? And before you go, can you please take out my sharp twigs?" The girl said, "Yes, I am going to find for her work and earn some money. But yes, I can help you taking out your twigs." And very carefully he take out all of the twigs of that tree. Then he go on his way. Then he find a wizard, and then the wizard said to me, "Hey girl, before you go, can you please help me?" Again, very carefully, the girl take that wizard wings also out. Then when he was going on his way, he found a broken oven. That oven said to him, "Hey girl, where are you going? Before you go, can you please help me?" The girl said again, "I am going to find a work and earn some money, and yes, I can help you." Then he take out some mud, and her hands was very dirty, but he don't see that he is clean or dirty, and he just helped that oven. Then when he was going on his way, he find a well. The well said to him, "Hey girl, before you go, can you please clean me up with my water?" The girl take water and clean that oven, that well. Then when he was going on his way, he finally find a dog which was very dirty. The dog said to him, "Before you go, can you please give me a bath?" That time the girl give that dog a bath. Then he go again, and he find a house, which house belong to the fairies. Then he entered that house and said to the fairies, "I am finding to work and earn some money." The fairies said, "Okay, if you want to work, you can work on our house for 1 year." Then here the fairy said, "Here are 7 rooms. You clean all the 6 rooms, but never and never enter the 7th room." Then he do that thing which the fairy say, and then after 1 year he go home. When he was going home, the dog said to the girl, wait, before you go home, I want to take you on a place. The fairies, at that time, the fairies came there and they take them to the end place which was full of gold and silver. He take a little bit gold and silver, and then next day he go. Then the dog said to him, "Wait, I want to take you a place." And the dog take him a place which was full of gems and diamonds. And the girl takes some diamonds, and then he go. Then he find that well which he has cleaned. The well said to him, "Before you go, I think you are thirsty. You can drink some water from me." And then the girl drank some water from the well. He go. Then he find that oven which was broken and which has many of delicious types of food. The oven said, "Take and eat as food as you can." He eats a little bit food and packs some for the other of his journey. Then he go and he find the vineyard, and the vineyard has bring a lot of wines for him. He drank a little bit wine and packed for his journey. Then he came to that tree, and that tree said to him, "I have bring many fruits for you. You can eat as possible." And he ate some fruits and came on his house. The rooster started screaming and said, "Your girl has came with beautiful of very much foods, with gold, silver, and a lot of diamonds." Then when he came, his mother, his wife said, "This is nothing. Now see what my daughter will earn." Then his daughter go. When he was journeying his journey, he find a tree, and the tree said to him, "Hey girl, before you go, can you please take out my twins?" That girl said, "No, I don't have any time to take out your twins. If I will take out your twins, my hands will be very bloody." Then he go again. Then he find the vineyard. The vineyard said, "Can you please help me?" He said, "No, I will don't help you." Then the oven said also to him, "Please help me." But he didn't listen to oven and said, "If I will help you, my hands will be very much muddy and dirty. I don't want to dirty my these clean and beautiful hands." Then he go again. He find the well. He don't clean the well, and he don't give the bath to the dog also. Then I find to that house which that girl has also found, which belongs to the fairy. The fairy said same which they had said. When he was working there, one day he decided to sneak inside the seventh room and said to him, and just see what's inside it, that what's the special inside it that he can't enter inside it. He sneak inside, and then when he sneak inside, a lot of insects attack him. The fairy said to him, "I told you to don't go to the seventh room." Then he said, "No, I am leaving this right now," and go away. Then when he find that dog said that time he said to the dog, "Hey dog, can you please help me?" That dog said, "No, when I said you that you can give me a bath, you don't give me a bath. Now I will don't help you." And start barking on it. When he reached the well when he was very thirsty, he looked inside the well and he saw that the well has just taken out all of his water. He reached the oven, which was full of delicious food. He tried to take out one plate of food, but the oven started throwing flames and he could not freeze that food. Then he find the vineyard which has wine and he can't drink the wine also. And when he reached the tree don't let him eat any of his fruit. Then when he was reached to his home, that time the rooster starts screaming again. Your wife's girl has came with dirty hands and full of muddy things. His girl said, "What? How can be this possible?" And then his father and his daughter taken out from that home, and that husband's wife and his daughter go away from that home. So if you like this story, so please like my channel. Bye bye.